Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to just add a bit of texture to your images. So first I duplicated my image and I right click on the image and I convert it to a smart object. Then I go into filter gallery, and on here I'm just going to erase it so you can see from the start. You basically go on texture, grain, and then you can kind of add different effects depending on how many effects you want on this image. Change the intensity, the contrast, and then once you're happy with it, you click OK. And then you duplicate that. And you can go on Image, Adjustments, and Gradient Map. And on Gradient Map, you can kind of change the colours of the image. They have lots of preset colours that are quite fun. On here I decided to go for a purple one that I saw. And here it has two colours, and you can do multiple, you can do more than just two. And I'm just adjusting the colours. And then you go on Mode, Adjustments, Posterize. And on here, I'm going to zoom in so that you guys can see a bit clearer. But I go on Image, Adjustments, Posterize. And then if I change the levels, it affects how sort of simplified the image is, basically. So if you want it to have this really sort of textured, comic-y feel, a bit like a sort of pop art effect. And then you can change the blending modes. So I quite liked the lighter colour one, just to add a bit of intrigue to your images. But yeah,